Wow. This is really cool, guys. Well, the bees have arrived. Got them set up. And there's a couple.
There's a bee poking out right there.
There's a bee poking out right there. But it's a very cool, cloudy morning today.
There'll probably be more once it's a sunny day.
Yeah, I was kind of hoping that it would warm up here and they'd start flying around, but they seem pretty content and just staying in there. But you can hear them, the hum in there. Oh yeah, pretty cool. Been waiting for a long time and now they're here. Wish there was more I could do with them, but there's not really much to do. Let them get situated, I guess. Yeah. Well, hey everybody. I'm about to do my very first hive inspection. And I don't have my suit yet, so I kind of get a makeshift suit up and going here. This is for mosquitoes, and I just got coveralls on that have holes directly so you can access your pants pockets. Well, I don't want bees going in there, so I put my back brace on around that. Not for my back this time. I'm not happy with this smoke. There. I don't want it to get going out on me. That would be awful. I got my wrists all taped up. And we'll try not to get stung too bad, huh? Stay calm and everything will be just fine. Alright, so the bees are definitely a lot more active than they were yesterday. It's gotten a lot warmer today. The sun is trying to peak, so that helps. I'll get set up here and try this out for myself for the very first time. Wow. That got a serious reaction. Yeah. They glued this on pretty dang tight already. This is the part I don't want to be jarring and smashing around and stuff. Make them all mad. It feels though the frames are stuck to the top. Not exactly what I wanted to have happen on my very first time. So I'm going to see if I can sneak a little smoke in there. Sorry, ladies. I'm trying my best here. There we go. Look at what we got. They sure buzz when you hit them with that smoke, I tell you. Got the queen in that. There. I gotta see if she's out of there or what's going on. I feel like a clumsy, awkward... I can't get this frame out of here. There. Hey ladies. How's it going? It's heavier than I thought it would be. Now they got, it looks like some pollen in there. I don't see any brood yet. Yep, this one's got the queen cage on it. Oh, and look at what we got. Capped brood. I see some pollen next to it. Up in here looks like honey. It's hard to tell. It's just uncapped honey, I think. Wow. This is really cool, guys. I still don't see any queen, but they're really hard to see. I see there's... Oh, wait a minute. There's a lot more pollen again on this side. Is that her? Right there? Or is that a drone? I think that's a drone. Looks like there's a queen cell there. I hope that is old or something. Alright, I'm going to see if I can pop this. Watch out, girls. You're right on the corner there. There you go. There it is. I don't see her in there. So she's out then. We're going to bury in their face in the cells. What's that right there? I see a big bee. I can't tell. Can I brush you girls aside? I don't know. There's a bee right there that kind of... I can't tell if that's a drone or what's going on, but they seem awfully clumped up right there. I'm just going to carry on and look some more. They're starting to act funny. I better hit them. Smoke. Yeah, it's amazing how that works. They go right down in there. Alright, ladies, I'll try to be a little oh, these two are stuck together. I see, it looks like it's got to be drones in there. Oh, there's drone cells right there. Okay. Some pollen in there. I feel like I'm moving really slowly and they're gonna get mad at me or something. But maybe I'm doing everything right. I don't know. They're bearding up right here, all kind of weird. I wonder if the queen isn't in that mess. I don't see a queen in there. They're just doing that, I guess. Looks like a honey. Capped and uncapped honey. There's another old queen cell. At least I hope it's old. Oh, look at that on the brood. They're like white in there. Is that bad? You see what I'm seeing? Or are they just about ready to hatch is what's happening? They look like little faces, white faces sticking out. I don't see any eggs or nothing. I'm going to peek at this other frame one more time now. I'm new, ladies, forgive me. You're being so sweet to me. I really appreciate that. Looks like honey. Uncapped honey. It's supposed to be 78 degrees today, and here I am goofing around in coveralls and sweatshirts outside. Watch out, ladies. This was glued down like crazy. Let's try to scrape that off. Let's probably get the big chunks and call it good enough. Alright, ladies, well, you were super good to me. I appreciate it. Get down in there, I don't want to mush you. Yeah, I got a bee in my pocket. See, that's where I was worried about him getting in my suit. He's in my front pocket. Hello, bee. Kind of crawling all over me. I'm sure they'll disperse when I get out of here. So, I don't know. I don't feel like... I don't know. I don't know. I seen honey, I seen pollen, I seen drones, I seen workers. I don't know about the larva situation exactly. I didn't really see any eggs, which could be potentially bad. It means there's no queen laying eggs. But maybe I just don't know what I'm looking for yet. I mean, I can see them in videos and stuff, but I just couldn't, with the stinking veil on my face, and I don't know. I just don't know. But the queen is out. Now I don't know. Thanks for tuning on in. Gosh. To I don't know what I'm doing beekeeping, but I'm learning. Hopefully I'll peek back in there in a few days or something, a week, whatever. I don't want to peek too much, but I want to make sure there's a queen. Peek back in there. Hopefully there'll just be obvious sign of queen. Alright, well, bye.